Well, President Donald Trump's proposed budget could put millions of Americans now in limbo.
It's pretty basic, like essential support for me, and that's just a huge concern.
Republican lawmakers could be just hours away now from stitching together the president's tax breaks bill. This includes $5 trillion in tax breaks, plus $1 trillion in cuts to Medicaid and SNAP. So here is why this is making headlines tonight. Right now in the U.S., more than 70 million people rely on Medicaid for health care, and about 40 million use food stamps. 10 TV's Tara Jabor spoke with someone who shared their concerns with us tonight. And so now we want to go to Tara with more on what she's learned. Tara?
Well, Angela, we're talking about two big necessities, food and health care. Now this political back and forth is leaving some people in limbo.
Kyle Garvey has cerebral palsy. His condition makes life a lot more challenging. He can't walk or do most things around the house without help.
About my home care, I get 10 hours per day.
Today, lawmakers are considering cutting money that lets Garvey get that care through Medicaid.
That's pretty basic, like essential support for me, and that's just a huge concern.
It's care Garvey says he doesn't think he could survive day to day without.
Luxury or anything to play with.
Medicaid isn't the only program that may see cuts. There's also talk of cutting SNAP benefits. The AP says that's because lawmakers want to rein in social safety net programs. We asked Senator Bernie Moreno about the issue.
I've been clear for months now. We are not going to cut benefits at all. We're going to eliminate waste, fraud, and abuse. We're going to prevent illegal migrants from collecting government benefits.
Kathy Kelly Long, the director of Broad Street Food Pantry, says most of the people they serve are on SNAP benefits and still need more support.
They don't know how to get by. You know, when you take away, I think the average SNAP benefit is $353 a month. If you take that out of your household income, how do you replace that?
She says the number of people using the food bank are the highest they've ever been.
We're serving an average of 50 to 60 families every day that come to us because they need food. When you cut these benefits, you hurt families. You take food away from seniors, from children. When you take food away from children, it means they can't grow and thrive the way they should.
Now, nothing is official with these potential Medicaid and SNAP cuts, but if these cuts are made, the AP estimates that it'll be about $1 trillion. Reporting live in downtown Columbus, Tara Jabor, 10 TV News.